Today in part 2 of the Enoshima Island tour, let's explore some more of the amazing views, more historic shrines, and of course, the highly talked about sea candle, which is the landmark of this island. Make sure to watch till the end to find out the preview to part 3. Enjoy! This is one of the viewpoints in the garden heading up to the Nakatsunomiya Middle Shrine. In front, you can see the Shonan Port yacht harbor, the Kamakura, and the breathtaking Miura Peninsula. This is the Nakatsunomiya Middle Shrine of the 3 Jinja shrines.
We made it to the top of the island, Enoshima Island.
Oh yeah? What's so interesting about this island?
Got some really cool temples and beautiful views.
Uh-huh. Good food?
We haven't had any food, just ice cream.
Just matcha ice cream?
Yeah.
The Nakatsunomiya Shrine was built in an astounding year of 853 by Ennin, who was a Buddhist monk. Later in 1689 it was rebuilt by the 5th shogun of the Tokugawa dynasty, whose name was Tokugawa Tsunayoshi. Now the red shrine that you actually see here was fixed and repaired in the year of 1996. Behind these girls is a stone basin with a little dragon. These are Emma, where you would write prayers and wishes and then hang them up here where the spirits kami receive them. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
So I thought we were at the top of the island before, but we went up another 300 steps and now it looks like we're pretty much there.
The roof looks like a pool.
Yeah.
This roof looks like a pool. This is a different lookout viewpoint. The views here are spectacular and serene. Look at that view, beautiful, huh?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. In the distance you see the famous sea candle, which will go all the way up to. On the right, there is also a Samuel Cocking garden and a little cafe. Tickets for Samuel Cocking garden and to go all the way up to the sea candle are 700 yen or just under $7. Now you can buy them in person or via the automated machine. The Samuel Cocking garden has a lot of beautiful varieties of tulips among some other flowers. The history goes back to the 1882 when the British merchant Samuel Cocking built this garden on top of this island. In addition, there is also ruins of an old greenhouse.
Tulip garden?
This is a pavilion which was donated by the Kunming City in China. Kunming City is a sister city to a nearby Fujisawa City in the Kanagawa Prefecture of Japan. It's nicely decorated with 2 benches inside. It's a nice place to sit down, rest, or read a book. The tall tower standing on the highest elevation of Enoshima is the Sea Candle. Sea Candle is also known as the Shonan Observatory Lighthouse, was built in 2002 and opened in 2003. It is 59.8 meters or over 196 feet in height and stands 119.6 meters or almost 655 feet above the sea level. The owner of the tower is the Enoshima Electric Railway. You can either take an elevator all the way up or the stairs. Today we decided to take the elevator up and the stairs down. So I think that's where probably saw people walk.
Yeah, up to the observation deck.
Some mountains up there?
I think it's Fuji. It's gotta be that way. There's the portrait.
What is that?
The portrait ground.
Oh, that's the porch. Oh, yeah. The bridge you see is the Highway 305 Enoshima Ohashi bridge that we came here on. What can you see?
I'm not sure. Something is Tokyo's out there.
Hi, Tokyo Sky 3. Let's head all the way up to the outer observation deck. It's an amazing view.
Talk about being on top of the island.
I know, what a nice spontaneous trip, huh?
That was Yokohama?
Yokohama Tower. Tokyo Sky 3. You got some nice chairs here. This time we decided to head back down using the stairs. Finally getting back down, this is the Sunset Terrace. With this, we conclude the second part of the Enoshima series. Stay tuned for part 3 preview. In the next Enoshima Island video part 3, we're going to explore the island like you have never seen it before. We're going to try some food, meet some people, take some hidden paths, and discover some breathtaking million-dollar views. So stay tuned, only on the epic travel adventures. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.